In this lesson, you will learn how to use shared parameters to define additional elements that are usually not included in the beam schedule when it is created within the project template. You can add shared parameters to any family regardless of category. They are defined and stored in an external file, ensuring consistency across families and projects. Their values may also be aggregated and reported within Revit structure multi-category schedules. Click the menu browser and select Open. And in the Open dialog, from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file rstdocsch02 shared parameters. Let's edit the family parameters. Open the View 02 floor and zoom in and select one of the concrete beams. Then, from the Family panel, click Edit Family. When asked to open the family for editing, click Yes. Then, in the Family file, from the Family Properties panel, click Types. In the Family Types dialog, under Dimensions, select B and click Modify. In the Parameter Properties dialog, click Shared Parameter and then click Select. In the Revit dialog, click Yes to specify a shared parameter file. In the Edit Shared Parameters dialog, click Create. In the Create Shared Parameter File dialog, specify a location for the file and name it Project Shared Parameters and click Save. Back in the Edit Shared Parameters dialog, under Groups, click New. In the New Parameter Group dialog, type Dimensions and click OK. Then, under Parameters, click New. And in the Parameter Properties dialog, for Name, type B. And under Type of Parameter, select Length and click OK. Then, under Parameters, click New again and type H for Name and select Length for Type and click OK. Then, click OK to close Edit Shared Parameters. And in the Shared Parameters dialog, with B selected, click OK. And in the Parameter Properties dialog, click OK. Then, back in the Family Types dialog, under Dimensions, select the H parameter, and under Parameters, click Modify. Then, in the Parameter Properties dialog, click Shared Parameter and click Select. In the Shared Parameters dialog, under Parameters, select H and click OK. Then, in the Parameter Properties dialog, click OK. And now that the B and H parameters, which were originally family parameters, are now shared parameters, click OK to close the Family Types dialog. The B and H parameters will now appear in the Structural Framing Schedule field after they are reloaded into the project file. On the Family Editor panel, click Load into Project. In the Revit dialog, click Overwrite the existing version. Now, let's remove the family and type parameter from the schedule. In the project browser, under Schedules and Quantities, right-click Structural Framing Schedule and select Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Other, for Fields, click Edit. In the Schedule Properties dialog, under Scheduled Fields, select Family and Type and click Remove. The Family and Type field is now removed from the Scheduled Fields column. Now let's add depth and width parameters to the beam schedule. Under Available Fields, select B or Width and click Add. Then select H, which is Depth, and click Add. Then move B up to second place and H up to third place and click OK twice. Then open the structural framing schedule. The schedule is now updated. Close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.